What is the difference between ordinary and extraordinary? There lived a boy in a small village in Tamil Nadu who used to sell newspapers every day to help feed their family. He had to walk several kilometers to reach his school every day. For a boy like him, just thinking beyond his village is a huge adventure. A girl from Haryana became fascinated by watching planes flying over her house. She wanted to pursue aeronautical engineering, but her college didn't even have a girls' hostel. A boy from Madhya Pradesh used to run a rickshaw to support his family. He slept on the streets. He used to do a lot of odd jobs to meet his expenses while studying. But these ordinary people have some other thoughts. The boy who sold newspapers kept on learning even in the hardships and went on to become the President of India and a beacon of inspiration worldwide. The girl's zeal to learn more made her fly in space. Satellites, streets, and awards were named after her. The guy who ran a rickshaw went on to become an IPS officer. His story was even made into a movie. What has made these ordinary people extraordinary? They dared to dream big. When we all Indians dare to dream big, India becomes unstoppable.